Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're decoding a concept that has absolutely revolutionized the entire world of web and mobile development. We're talking about version control, specifically zooming in on Git and GitHub. You know, if you've ever found yourself wondering how these massive, sprawling software projects come together without just completely falling apart at the seams, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break down exactly how this powerful system transforms coding from honestly chaotic guesswork straight into a beautifully streamlined, highly coordinated process.
Okay, let's dive into this. Our agenda for today is pretty straightforward. We'll start with 1, the chaos without version control, then 2, enter version control. After that, we'll hit 3, repositories and branching explained, walk through 4, the essential Git workflow, and wrap up with 5, why version control wins.
All right, let's kick things off with section 1, the chaos without version control. So, to really grasp why this technology is such a game changer, we need to anchor our understanding in a totally relatable real-world scenario. Just imagine a small, highly motivated team of, let's say, 5 to 7 developers. They've just been tasked with building a complex, brand new e-commerce website. The big question is, how do multiple developers build an app without destroying each other's work? I mean, this isn't just a simple one-pager, right? It needs a shopping cart system, comprehensive product listings, highly secure payment processing, and some really robust inventory management running behind the scenes. If you have 5 to 7 people coding all of this at the exact same time, well, things are going to get very messy very quickly. Without version control, we essentially enter what I like to call the dark ages of coding. Imagine the nightmare. One developer accidentally overrides another's file, literally wasting hours or even days of hard work. There's zero documentation, no log or accounting whatsoever of who changed what or when they even did it. And honestly, the worst part? Imagine launching a brand new version of the site, realizing it has a massive, site-breaking bug, and then finding out it's basically impossible to roll back to the old stable version because it's simply gone. It's an absolute nightmare. Which perfectly sets the stage for section 2, enter version control, the hero of our story. So what exactly is version control? By definition, it's a system for managing changes to files, enabling collaboration, tracking revisions, and recovering earlier versions if needed. Think of this as the ultimate, all-encompassing stress reliever for development teams. It's a system that guarantees, no matter how many cooks are in the kitchen touching the project, every single change is managed and, more importantly, perfectly safe. And this brilliantly illustrates the night and day difference. Instead of that chaotic old way with constant overwrites and zero history, version control just completely flips the script. Everyone on the team gets their own isolated environment to work in. The system automatically generates these clear, time-stamped logs of every single action, so we've got full accountability. And if something breaks, rolling back to a previous working version is literally as easy as clicking a button. Nobody is overriding their teammates. Everything is protected. Let's move on to section 3, repositories and branching explained. To really understand how this magic works under the hood, we need to quickly define 2 foundational concepts. First up, the repository. Stripping away all the tech jargon, a repository is basically just the ultimate safe storage filing cabinet for your project files, along with their complete running change history. You can actually have a local repository sitting safely right on your own computer, or a centralized one, like what you'd see on GitHub, where the entire team's finished work is stored together in one place. Now let's talk about branching. This means creating a separate, totally isolated line of work that's still connected to the main project. It helps to think of a physical tree here. You've got the main trunk, that's your main stable code. Branching allows individual developers to just branch off that main trunk, so they can experiment, build features, even break things entirely on their own separate branch, while that main trunk stays perfectly safe and completely untouched. Let's anchor this abstract concept of branching straight back into our concrete e-commerce example. With branching, developer A gets their own totally isolated space just to build the shopping cart. Meanwhile, developer B has a completely separate branch dedicated to the product listing. Developer C is working entirely on payment processing, and developer D is over there handling inventory management. They're all working on the exact same app at the exact same time, right in parallel. But because they're on different branches, their work never clashes. It is just beautifully organized. All right, let's jump into section 4, the essential Git workflow. Let's move to how this builds out practically. What are the physical step-by-step actions a developer takes every single day? Well, step 1 is clone. That's just the simple act of making a safe local copy of that central repository right onto your own computer. Step 2 is branch. You isolate your specific task. Step 3 is commit. Now, as you update your code, you don't just save it. You essentially take a permanent snapshot of those changes to lock them into your local repo. Step 4 involves push and pull. When your code is absolutely perfect, you push it up to the central repository. Or if a colleague updated something and you need their code, you pull it down to your machine. And finally, step 5 is merge. Once everyone's isolated branches are finished and verified, they are seamlessly merged back together to create the final integrated software. Bringing us to our final section, Section 5, Why Version Control Wins. At the end of the day, version control is literally the developer's safety net. It allows for massive collaboration without any of the conflicts. Tools like GitHub give us total accountability, right? They create this meticulous log tracking exactly who made what change and at what exact time. So if a piece of code fails, you know exactly where to look. It gives us those easy, stress-free rollbacks to older, stable versions. And honestly, it integrates so seamlessly with modern continuous integration and deployment processes, making sure development stays incredibly fast, flexible, and robust. We've seen how version control takes a process that used to be chaotic and conflict-heavy and turns it into this incredibly streamlined, collaborative, and totally safe environment. It empowers you and your team to experiment without that constant fear of breaking everything. So I want to leave you with this final thought to chew on today. Now that you have total control over your code, what will you build next? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, happy coding!